This is my Arduino door lock with the Adafruit Fingerprint sensor. To start this project, I used one of the example programs within the library to read my fingerprints. After that, I prototyped it with an LED to represent the door locking and unlocking. These are the only 4 wires I will need from the sensor for this project. From here, I'll replace the LED with the door lock. Since the door lock takes 12 volts, I'll need to use a relay. Now the circuit is complete, and my fingerprint will unlock and lock the door. This is the finalized project. In addition to it working with my thumb, I also programmed it to work with each of my fingers. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this one, leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for things that I can build, make sure to leave a comment letting me know. If you like this video, then you'll love my journey into electronics. This video includes many of my beginner level projects that I've made throughout the year. Also, be sure to check out my micro servo arm. It was by far one of my favorite projects.